Imagine that your home is connected to the internet at very high speed, at a much higher speed than today. Ultra-high-speed internet directly delivered to your home will create a multitude of new possibilities and will enable a myriad of novel applications. It will add a new dimension to communicating with your family, to working from home, to checking on your health, to shopping, to on-demand ultra-high-definition television, and much, much more. Although this may sound like science fiction, the technology that enables these services is already being developed. But how can we satisfy our insatiable hunger for speed and bandwidth? The copper cable connections that enter your home today are reaching their limits in terms of data transmission capacity. Yet we do have a technology that can carry much more data: optical fiber cables. A major problem with optical fiber technology is that connections between these tiny glass fibers must be made with very high precision if we want them to work properly. Unlike copper cable connections, highly skilled engineers and expensive tools are needed to make fiber connections. This is one of the reasons why Europe still has a small fiber network penetration, compared, for example, to Japan or South Korea. Dust, dirt, humidity, and difficult meteorological conditions further complicate obtaining perfect optical connections in the field. The breakthrough solution to overcome all these obstacles is the European project named VECTOR. VECTOR is a research and innovation initiative funded by the European Commission's Framework Programme for Research and Development, in which telecommunication industry and universities team up to develop a fully automated tool that can be operated by low-skilled workers for installing optical fiber connections.
The VECTOR project consists of two parts. First of all, there's a new connector, and there's also a handheld tool that is used for applying this connector to the fiber.
The VECTOR tool makes installing fiber optic connections as easy as electrical wire connections and significantly lowers the cost of these connections.
You insert a cable inside that Megatronic hand tool. You do a basic number of commands on the touchscreen, and at the very end a terminated cable comes out and the optical performance that we are after is met.
VECTOR was launched in 2012 and has now greatly advanced. The technology has been tested with great results.
We were capable of demonstrating that all the processes that we envisaged to implement inside that Megatronic tooling, that has been functioning well. And it has been demonstrated that a plug preparation can be done successfully.
With the VECTOR tool and connection technology, bringing fiber optic internet connections to all European households becomes possible. This will enable astounding applications that will greatly enhance our quality of life.